go.
Dude, that's awesome. Get close up there. Sir. Gotcha.
Oh fuck. Fucking slippery fucker.
Did the same thing.
Here.
You want to hold him, but you gotta revive him. You can't just let him go.
Motherfucker!
Blue Horizon. Well, it's off the coast of Placencia, down in Belize. Blue Horizon was literally a perfect experience. It's designed for you to be an angler and focus on being an angler, and that's it. Like every other fishing I've ever done in the past, like either it's like, all right, someone's got to manage the boat, someone's got to manage like camera gear, someone's got to manage fishing and all these things. Like, whereas you go there to fish, and that's it. Like every other stressor, every other complexity around that is taken care of. You get on the boat, your lunch, your drinks, your snacks, everything's taken care of. I had high expectations and it exceeded that.
Thumbs up in the chat.
So the Choona gang that went down to Belize was myself, Tyler, Logan, and Spencer. When I was getting the lineup for this trip, we kind of bounced around a few different people and ultimately landed up with this lineup that I felt like the chemistry and the overall vibes was going to work out really well.
Choke me, daddy.
The biggest fish of our life could be under this rock. We just don't know. Oh, he got away!
The expectations are high for Belize. Everything we've heard about the lodge is that this is the place you go to catch permit. Every fly fisherman goes to get their Grand Slam. It's unpressured, beautiful terrain. You've got flats, grass flats, coral flats, and then you've got the outer reef, which is just a beautiful place. You got blue water coming in right over those shelves. So we're absolutely stoked to go experience something that is like nothing else we've ever seen or been to before. Day one, we got off to a little later start just because we rolled into the lodge the night before, and we're getting all of our camera gear, our fly rods, everything ready. Wind's blowing pretty good, and that was kind of the theme for the next like 2 hours of that day. So we roll out to the flat and we see tailing permit right away. Then we went and threw up some bonefish that were tailing on a grass flat.
All right, guys, we've seen a couple tailing permit today. As you can see and hear, it's pretty breezy, all right? So we've had some tough shots. We've seen some nice tailers, though. We saw a school of bonefish up here. So we're gonna pull to this little mangrove flat. Check it out. That means good luck.
I've come back to the land I was.
Got him.
It was still a lot of like learning curve. Although we're seeing a lot of fish, you're also kind of expecting to see a lot too, and almost expecting an eat to happen sooner than it did.
Right opportunity. With my ratio, it will be no time before we catch zero fish.
I love catching zero fish.
But we are getting tight.
We we eventually went over to a little bit deeper water and then played with some bonefish over there.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Bottom fishing for bonefish.
So that was nice just to get the skunk out of the boat and you know, put our hands on some fish. Tyler got his first bonefish.
What's up? Bonefish. Bring me in. Did this all by myself. First one, just learned to fly fish today. There it is. Boom.
Dinner at Blue Horizon easily became one of the highlights of our trip. It gave you an opportunity to sit next to someone new, hear a little bit of their story, their experience on the water that day. The food was fantastic every night. It was a perfect way to unwind and get you excited to do it all over again the next day. Day 2 was a similar experience. Saw a lot of tailors the next day. We did a different style. We went over to the outer reef and fished permit off of the backs of rays, and that was probably one of my favorite styles that we did. The anticipation for us hooking a fish couldn't have been any better. Just each day saw more and more fish. Are you recording?
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're currently switching up. We're actually drifting into the mangroves. Oh. Heavens to Betsy. Things are blowing up. So we've easily had 100 casts today at permit, and no luck yet. We're switching it up. We're gonna go for the poon for a little bit, but we're optimistic. Day's young. We're a little pissed off. Just be honest with you. It's hot. There's mosquitoes in my ear right now, but Ivan's gonna put us on them right here. It's about to get tight, so stay tuned.
There is a mosquito in your ear.
Can you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Going to day 3. This day was the arm breaker. Probably casted 2,000 times between tarpon and permit. We saw just an ungodly amount of permit. I would say the fly landed within 12 inches to 15 inches from the fish, but no eats. Although day 3 was a bit of a bust for Tyler and myself, Logan and Spencer had themselves a day and ended up with a boat slam. It started with Logan getting his first tarpon on the fly.
It's crazy out here, Chad! The tarpon are biting!
Time to put them in their place. I'ma have to set them straight. You don't know me, you don't know where I'm from, or what I had to do to get this plate. Hey, let me paint a picture. Everybody dissing, acting like it wasn't cool to listen. Now look at me. I say now look at me. Let me get it started. I've been the dumbest since day one. Said I want this shit, then my mama said pray, son. I ain't got no hidden motives. I'ma get a bullet, fill it with some Folgers, then pull that motherfucker till they wake up. Straight up, the illest out the funk. Illustrate my life.
This is what we've been after all day. Just beautiful.
I just spent 150 on some activists. Tell me, why all y'all acting like y'all be living like it ain't no afterlife? I'm tired of the weak shit.
Going into the last day, Tyler and I knew that we had to make a change. So we did. Once the braids were acquired, we knew we would be operating at maximum efficiency, and that was the missing piece for us to put our hands on a permit.
Another day, come on, with these ropes tied, can we do no wrong? Now we grieve, 'cause now it's gone. Things were good when we were young. With my
Choona got it done today, and I promised him that. That was a big promise on my side. I thought I was gonna fuck it up, but we did it. We did it. We did it. And there's fish here. Watch out.
As I make my way, come on, these better nights that seem too long. Now we grieve, 'cause now it's gone. Things were good when we were young. With my teeth locked down, I can see the blood of 1,000 men who have come and gone. Now we grieve, 'cause now it's gone. Things were good when we were young. Is it safe to say, come on, was it right to leave? Come on, will I never learn? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
No one can say that this wasn't good luck. Every boat has got a permit, so.
Brains made everyone catch a permit.
Blake put us on.
Jesus.
Leslie
We did it. Now we're Choona famous.
He's a lefty, so we've already got
Oh,
something.
great.
He's writing it? Who has the best handwriting? How do you mess up the outline?